At least 16 people have lost their lives in flash floods and landslides in northwestern China. This is the third severe spate of flooding in the country in the last few days. Flooding and mudslides raged down slopes in mountainous areas of the Tonghui and Tu Autonomous County in Qinghai Province after heavy rain late on the 17th of August 2022. According to Xinhua News Agency, 6,245 residents of 6 villages in the area were affected. The nearby city of Xining, capital of Qinghai Province, recorded 39.3 millimeters of rain in 3 hours. As of the 18th of August, 16 fatalities had been reported in the county, with as many as 36 people thought to be missing. Search and rescue operations are ongoing, involving over 600 people and 107 vehicles. This is the third spate of severe flooding in the country in the last week. Heavy rain from the 11th of August triggered floods in Zhongyang County, Shaanxi Province, destroying houses and roads, washing away cars and stranding residents. At least 7 people died in flash flooding in Pengzi City in Sichuan Province on the 13th of August 2022. The victims were thought to be tourists relaxing along a river and were trapped by the sudden flood.